Hello everyone, welcome to Yaj Reviews. In this video, I will be reviewing a camera gear that is out of production. It's very unfortunate, but I was able to pick up a last one. What is it? This is the Pgytech Arca-Type quick release clamp, and it's very unfortunate that they don't make this anymore. They call it the version 1 now because there's a version 2, and the version 2, it has a more simplistic look, but it has more features, meaning it could use other clamp plates from other companies, which is cool. However, for me, I just prefer this. Not only the way it looks, but the simplicity of it. It's just very convenient. And let me open it. I also want to have this as a memory because since they don't make it anymore, I do want to unbox this. This one I purchased from Adorama. They only had one and I guess it's their last one, so let's open it up. And I think probably this would be my 4th clamp, so I have 3, and that's how reliable it is. Okay, so I'm opening it from the bottom. Okay, here we go. All right, this is the box, the last one. I'm debating if I should destroy the box or not because I really don't have space. Looks like this. Of course, there's the stickers. They provide stickers. And here it is. Cool thing is each of them have a serial number. Right here, it's very beautifully made, and you can see it right here. Clamp goes inside, it goes inside, and then once it's inside, you could lock it with a switch here. This is to lock. When you lock it, you can't press it down anymore. Then you flick it inside, you could release it. Very convenient, very sturdy, and man, I'm so sad that I had to go away. But then there are other products that went away too, which I could show real quick. Let me show how sturdy that little thing could get. Put this away. Let me see, did I put it over here? I put it over here. Because I use it to hold my A7S III, and for those who don't know, it's a huge full frame camera. I also have a huge lens, which is 24 to 105, and that thing is huge, and it becomes a very hefty camera because I knew nothing about vlogging, and I thought those were a good setup, which I was wrong. It's too big and it's too heavy. But I learned my lesson. Right now I use a lot is the Pocket 3. I mean, the image is pretty good. I mean, it's not as good, but it's decent. It's more than decent. It's actually very good. But anyways, it's convenient. That's why I like using it. So as you can see, I have one clamp on the top. This is the same clamp from earlier. It's the same Pgytech clamp. As you can see, I have it on top. So this it also has I have another clamp on my stand, and I also have a clamp on my tripod, so if I travel it could clamp on, and my camera could be on here, but there are times I just use, well, most of the time I use my laptop. And my laptop has this rigged out table stand, and my laptop is super heavy. It's a Lenovo Yoga 9i dual screen, so it has 2 K monitors, 2 of them, 2 OLED monitors, and I think it's about 4 pounds or more than that. It's the hefty laptop, and it would sit right on this thing, sit on the edge. As you can see, there's an edge here, and it's super heavy, but as you can see, the clamp does not budge, And the other one that I was mentioning that is discontinued too is this ball head from Ulanzi. It's the U120. This thing is solid. I mean, once it locks on, it sticks. Even my 4-pound plus laptop, it won't budge. And unfortunately, I don't know why they don't make it anymore. Maybe because it's so good that when people buy it, there's no returning customer, because all you need to do is just buy it once and it's good to go. I mean, oh, sorry, it's clanking. But yeah, I also use this as a table. I mean, it could be used as a table, but mainly it's for my laptop. So yeah, that is my unboxing of the Pgytech. I forgot to do a thumbnail. Sorry guys, I am learning this whole thing. I mean, I've been vlogging. For those, if you're curious, I have another vlogging channel. It's Yaj Vlogs. This one's my review channel. Still trying to get used to it. And unfortunately, this is my studio too. I hope you guys don't mind. I've got to do a little quick thumbnail. Do it like this, or should I do this like as a goodbye? Anyways, I want to say thank you for watching the review. I hope the content is enjoyable. I mean, if you guys see one that's used, I'm not sure if the integrity will still be good, but for me, like this one, as you can see, it's been used a lot and it's holding up. And it's my daily driver too, this guy on top. And there's another daily driver guy on the bottom. I also have another one on my Ulanzi carbon fiber tripod. And it's a very solid product. It's just unfortunate that they don't make it anymore. From what I heard on Amazon, looks like other people are saying the version 2 is just as good. It's just a bit bigger. The design is different because it doesn't have a square block off like this. These two sides are exposed, so it's a slide in, where instead of this one where you plop it in, the others are a slide in. But anyways, I'm stretching the video too long. I want to say thank you everyone for watching the video all the way through. If you enjoy the content and want to see more, please consider helping me out with a like, a comment, a share, and if you're not subscribed, to subscribe, because any interaction with the video will help out the algorithm, letting YouTube know that I'm a good content creator and will push out my contents even more. And that's all I have for now. Until the next, I hope you have a great day.